What's up guys, Trey here from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out these Morimoto XB LED side mirror lights with underside illumination for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s. If you're looking to upgrade your truck's exterior lighting with a modern touch and added visibility, this is going to be an excellent option. These LED side mirror lights offer a significant improvement in both style and functionality. They feature high-powered LEDs that deliver a bright, efficient lighting with amber parking and signal lights, with a bonus white puddle light feature, which is something that set these apart with underside illumination, which enhances ground visibility and gives your truck a custom look. These lights are going to be fully plug and play, making them compatible with your factory mirror wiring for hassle-free installation. They're also built to last with polycarbonate lenses that resist cracking and fading like stock or lower quality lenses tend to have. These are going to be built with durability in mind. These mirror lights feature high quality ABS plastic housings and a UV coated polycarbonate lens like I just mentioned. The robust construction is designed to withstand daily use and harsh weather conditions. Inside, the advanced LED technology ensures long-lasting performance and consistent illumination, which can save you on maintenance and money in the long run without having to replace the bulbs. Now, as far as pricing goes on this set, it's coming in right around the mid $100 range, which is a reasonable price for the high-quality LED lighting upgrade and the added features compared to stock. Install is going to be pretty simple on these, but it does score a 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you should be able to get the job done in about an hour. They're going to come with everything you need for a direct plug-and-play installation. No modifications are going to be necessary. You're just going to need a screwdriver set and a T15 star bit to get the job done. Now, let's see exactly how these go on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Alright, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to take our flathead screwdriver. It's going to feel like it might break, but just pop it out. And then we're going to keep slowly kind of lift up on this mirror. It kind of slides up off those rollers, pops right out. And then what we're going to do, push down right here, slide, just disconnect this mirror. 1, 2. Alright, so that's disconnected. Slide this thing out. Disconnect this real quick. See that little tab? Use our screwdriver again, make it a little faster. Dang, this thing just doesn't want to go. Alright, mirror's disconnected. We'll go ahead and set that up and out of the way. Alright, so here's what we're working with. So our puddle light is right there that we're going to want to remove. So what we're going to do, I don't have the end piece for this, I just use a T15 Torx bit. These 2 screws right in there, we're going to unscrew just to be able to pop that puddle light out. 1. Alright, so now what we're going to be able to do is going to pop this housing out to allow this puddle light to slide out. See this little tab right in there. They send you a little tool in the box that somehow, I guess you can do this without taking it all apart, which I don't really believe, because you have to be able to unplug a power source in the back of that. But they send you this cool little tool for you to slide that little tab back, but it's honestly easier just to use your finger. And you just work it out. Ignore the bee nest in there. Then you'll see that little thing right there. Just another one of those push tabs. So what we're gonna do is you just lift, and then this will slide right out. There's the stock light right there. Sorry, my camera battery died. So we're back here, got the plug out. So literally just plug and play. So we got it there. And now what we're gonna do is kind of work it into there. There's these little lips on this side to where you want to kind of see that little knob right there. You'll work it up into that pocket. Ooh, dead bee. Get it up. Just try to just keep working it around, find its way in there. And then this tab help feed that up right there. There you go, it's in. So now what you're gonna do is kind of help work this housing back into there, like that. So we'll start these screws, T15, and then we'll take our end without the socket because I don't know where it is, and tighten it down. Just to kind of show you guys what it looks like before I guess I can take that off now. There's blinkers, or this is me hitting the unlock button. And if I go under here, you'll see the puddle lights and the little other blinker light right there. So I'll finish this installation and then I'll use the blinkers and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so make sure these are nice and tight. Now we'll reinstall the mirror. So plug in our little clip again, just like that, and then reinstall these little tab things. Boom and boom. All right, so now, oh yeah, we gotta make sure to seat this back where it's supposed to go. Just like that. And now makes it pretty easy is if you bend this piece out, and you'll see on the bottom of the mirror how it kind of hooks. So you just hold this and you'll just work it down, clip, and then all I like to do is bend that back towards me, that top part. And then this is when that flathead screwdriver comes in handy, because you just take your screwdriver, you just hold, and just, so it didn't sound like both of those went in, actually. Yeah, they're both in. Alright, so that's it.
All right, now that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Morimoto XB LED side mirror lights with underside illumination for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.